Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today we will present end of chapter 2 DEE30083. Before that, let me introduce me and my members. My name is Muhammad Emir Khaizuran bin Muhammad Nur Azmi. Second, Nur Muhammad Hafiz bin Matlan. And lastly, Muhammad Ilham bin Slamet. I will start with the definition of NGN. Next generation network. NGN is a packet-based network able to provide telecommunication services to users and able to make use of multiple broadband QoS-enabled transport technologies and in which service-related functions are independent of the underlying transport-related technologies. I will let Nur Muhammad Hafiz to continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Emir, for giving me the opportunity to speak. Once again, I will introduce myself. My name is Nur Muhammad Hafiz bin Matlan, 07DEP20F2005. So, the next topic that I will be discussing is about PSTN and VoIP. So first, let us ask, what is PSTN network? So PSTN is the traditional circuit switch telephone network. PSTN comprise all the switch telephone network around the world that are operated by local, national, or international carriers. This network provides the infrastructure and services for public telecommunication. So for VoIP is the provision of voice communication in both directions between the end users over all IP network by using internet technologies end-to-end. So from down here we can see there is the diagram. So from the application server such application server and MCU call agent IP phone, it will go to the router gateway into the IP backbone and PSTN, and then into the PBX and then into the phone. So that is all from me. Next, Ilham will be discussing about his part, so I will be giving him the opportunity. Thank you.
Okay, so for question 4, the question asks masa hadapan for VoIP versus PSTN in the table. So for the first thing, there are three features. For the first feature is connectivity type. For VoIP, connectivity over the internet or private WAN service, and for PSTN, dedicated telephone lines or access via SIP, trunking, or PRI. For the second feature, which is bandwidth, for VoIP it requires 600 kbps, but for PSTN it's typically require 64 kbps. For the third feature, which is remote extensions, for VoIP this feature is typically standard, so you didn't need to add on anything, but for PSTN this feature require dedicated lines for each extension, which is an add-on for PSTN. So for question 5, the example application, a VoIP app is a software application installed that available uh, on both devices such as computer or smartphone. This app lets you make and receive telephone calls. So basically you already use the device without realizing it. For example, Skype, Viber, and WhatsApp. Um, so that's all for our end of chapter for the subject DEP 30083. Thank you.